Yo, what is up guys? So today I'm gonna be unboxing two new keyboards from Kemove, and these are the first DIY fully mechanical keyboards that you can buy. So I'm gonna use here my popsicle stick knife, which is not really sharp. So if you guys want to see how I made this, just click here. Right, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Right, so we have the white version, which I think really neat looking keyboard. Super simple but nice. So this version is actually the Kemove 61 keys, and it has 3000 mAh battery, Bluetooth 5.1, and it's compatible with Android, Windows, and iOS. On the top you can find the on and off switch, Windows and Mac switch, and also the USB Type-C port for charging it or using it as wired keyboard. Right, so let's move on to the next one, which is the Kemove 64 key. Now this bag contains everything you need for the keyboard, and here we have some extra keycaps so you can change it up, user's guide manual, a keycap remover. Now this one is also a keycap remover, and the USB Type-C cord, and an extra spacebar and switch. And it's really cool that you can just pop the switch out and just replace it with a new one. So here is the Kemove 64 key, and as you see, the space bars are split. So the switches are the same on the first one, and here you can see the difference between the space bar. This one is split. Alright, so here is how it sounds like. So these are also RGB backlit keyboards. And the difference between these two is that the light passes through the letters while the other one doesn't. Right, so I'm going to show you some awesome light cycles. Now this mode looks like a cotton candy. Now this one is the breathing mode. Right, and here's for the 64 key. Now here's how you remove the keycaps. And you can use this tool to pop the switch out and then replace it with a new one. Right, so there you go guys. So which gaming keyboard is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Is it the white one or the black one? And I will also leave a link in the description below where you can get this one or maybe both, or maybe check this one. So I'll put a link in the description as well, or click here. Right, so thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.